Firefly FFST unboxing. There's the Steve Ray Vaughan vibe. As always, you get the whammy bar and little cheap cable thrown in the package. That's with all these guitars. Let's get the packaging off this thing and then you guys can see what it looks like. Looks like they did a pretty good job. Let's see. There you go. Relic Sunburst, black pickguard, white pickups, and covers for the knobs. Looks pretty good. It's pretty Relic. There's hardly any finish on this guitar at all, anywhere. The parts are Relic. Most of the paint's taken off of this thing completely, which I kind of like. I don't really like a lot of paint on my guitars anyway. Here's the back of it. Now, they didn't sandblast that back plate, but that's okay. I don't really care about that. Looks good, though. The neck, too. Got that little spot where your hand ends up a lot on the neck. Same with the headstock, little checkering on there, I should say. Tuning keys are just regular vintage style. And abalone inlays. There's the body again. Yeah, it looks like they did a pretty good job on this. Like I said, I like beat up guitars and I prefer not to have any finish on them at all anyway. So I don't mind buying Relic stuff. So let's listen to it, see what it sounds like. Here we go.